Guys, I'm gonna show you about something. It's an emergency. Let's system Mayor de Blasio, something happened in New York in the danger, Bronx and Queens. And something that happens. Now, I think I'm gonna do something. Let's want it. There, Bill, something happens, danger of an emergency alert system. Well, must be the so the Bill de Blasio was happening, endangered. Something happening in New York State. But I'm not sure what happens in a month in a non-month. But then I had to be getting nice invasion to what I like to do. But yeah. Thank you for watching.